Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all a Ramadan diet plan for weight loss. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 1 month very easily. Fasting is one of the most easiest ways to lose weight, and hence Ramadan season can help you with detoxification, and hence you can lose up to 10 kgs in 1 month super easily. You can also opt for personalized weight loss diet plans to achieve your weight loss goals and to see a weight loss transformation like all my clients did. For personalized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Ramadan weight loss diet plan, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 30 days, that is 1 month super easily. Early in the morning, that is at the time of Sehri, for approximately 4 am to 5 am, you'll be having your early morning drink. Have it basil seeds lemon water. All you have to do is, in warm glass of lemon water, add 2 teaspoons of basil seeds. You can also use chia seeds if basil seeds are not available at your place. Mix it all well, let it sit for at least 5 to 6 minutes and have it empty stomach. Now why basil seeds or chia seeds? It will help you with the hydration process, and also you won't feel hungry for longer time of the day. Along with this, you can have one fruit of your own choice, be it any seasonal fresh fruit available: watermelon, melon, strawberries, berries, apple, orange, banana, whatever is available to you in the fresh season. And along with that, we'll have our soaked nuts, that is 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts, very important. Now for your breakfast, I'll be giving you 5 options. You can choose any of the preceding options for your breakfast. First option is you can have any parantha of your own choice, but make sure do not fry the parantha. It has to be dry roasted and not fried. Oats parantha, methi parantha, along with lots and lots of curd and salad. Now the recipe for my weight loss parantha is already upon my channel. Here is the complete recipe of the parantha without any oil and tastes yum in each and every manner. Have up to 2 paranthas for your breakfast with curd. Curd makes you less thirsty for the entire day, so make sure you have curd in the morning itself. Now if this is not possible, then you can always adopt for veggie sandwich. Now the recipe for veggie sandwich is upon my channel. Here is a recipe of all the sandwiches that you can basically have. Now my personal favorite is banana peanut butter sandwich. It is very important to take protein content of the day as well, so make sure to have good protein in your Sehri time. Third option for your breakfast will be brown rice pulao. Now the recipe for complete brown rice pulao is already upon my channel. Here is the recipe. Super easy to prepare, hardly takes 10 minutes of your time to prepare this recipe, and definitely one of the most fuller and filler breakfast that you can have in the Ramadan season. So make sure to check out this recipe for your breakfast. Fourth option is going to be veggie omelette. Now you can prepare a good veggie omelette with 4 egg whites, or you can even have boiled eggs instead of veggie omelette. Make sure to add lots and lots of veggies to this: onion, mushroom, capsicum, tomato, so that we get good fiber also and good protein content also. And have it along with 2 multigrain toasted breads slices. And the fifth one is going to be my personal favorite and all-time favorite of all, smoothie. Now all you have to do is, in particular smoothie, you can add oats, banana, apple. Here are the recipes of all my smoothies. Super easy, super yummy, and have it along with either 2 boiled eggs or 1 veggie sandwich of your own choice. That the recipes are already shared. These are all the options for your Sehri, for your breakfast, and have it along with, make sure to have 1 bowl of curd. Curd makes you have your probiotics of the entire day, helps you in your weight loss, and also does not make you feel thirsty or hungry for the longer time of the day. So make sure to have 1 bowl of curd in your Sehri time, definitely. Now it's time for our Iftar meal, for which I'll be giving you again lots and lots of options. But as soon as we open our fast, we'll be having 2 dates, that is khanjoor, and along with that, I recommend to have all my clients some electrolyte water, that is either coconut water, or you can have 1 glass of lassi or chas as well. You can choose any of the 2 options, coconut water or lassi or chas, but make sure the lassi or chas is without any sugar or without any salt. And for our dinner, I'll be giving you again lots of options. The first one is gonna be this particular recipe of kebabs. Now I've already shared this recipe, but it is super yummy, super delicious, and you'll love having it as your iftar meal. It consists of white chana, rajma, and all the good proteins as well. You can even add lots and lots of other vegetables to this, but I like it this way only. Have it along with again curd or any kind of chutney or achar and have it for your iftar meal. Here is the complete recipe. Second option would be a Mexican salad. Now the recipe for Mexican salad is here. It's super easy to prepare. I've even added lots and lots of salad to this so that we could get good fiber and as well as good protein for rajma, or you can even add white chana. I have other salad recipes as well. Here are all the recipes for my salads. They are super easy, super yummy to prepare and people enjoy having it for their iftar meals. And the next option for your iftar meal can be a cheela. You can even choose besan cheela, suji cheela or oats cheela. Now the recipe of all of it is again upon my channel. Here are the recipes of oats cheela. They're super easy to prepare, super yummy and definitely one of the most healthiest iftar meals that you can have for weight loss and to keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Fourth recipe will be stir fry vegetables. You can add lots and lots of vegetables to your meals. Here is a recipe for my stir fry vegetables or grilled vegetables. You can have it along with 2 multigrain toasted bread slices, or if not, then you can even have it along with a sandwich that you basically like. You can even add chicken to this or paneer to this if you like having it and enjoy your iftar meal. And before going to bed, make sure to have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea without fail. It helps you relieve of the entire stress of the day and boosts your metabolism for the night and definitely is one of the most good hydration teas that you can have during this time. And here is a Ramadan diet plan for you for weight loss for 1 month. You'll be able to see great weight loss changes happening in your body and definitely one of the most healthiest meal options that can be given. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the weight loss diet plans, advanced levels, weight loss tips and tricks, and also you can follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.